Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change Siri's voice on your iPhone. Since people prefer different voices of Siri, well today I will be showing you how you can change your voice of Siri, and I will be showing you how you can even change the accent because Siri has so many accents, so you will find out as you watch the video. So let's start by opening your settings. And now that it's been open, simply go down and open Siri and search. And so you can see that here we have so many Siri settings. So to change Siri's voice, simply click here on Siri voice, and now as you can see we have so many options to choose from, such as gender and accent. So if you click here on male,
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
These are results you will get. So as you heard, Siri's voice changed to male, and also as you can see I'm required 433 megabytes to download the male version of Siri and apply it. So let's try apply another accent.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
And as you can see I have been asked other amount of megabytes to download this accent, and if you try this on another accents, the results will be the same.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
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 So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.